I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Chemistry GCSE. Start by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Focus on understanding the why behind reactions and properties, not just memorizing facts. Regular review of topics like atomic structure, the periodic table, and chemical bonding will solidify your knowledge. This approach ensures you grasp the interconnectedness of chemistry. To study effectively, break down complex topics into smaller, manageable chunks. Use active recall methods such as self-quizzing to test your knowledge. Drawing diagrams for processes like electrolysis or organic reactions can greatly aid visual learning. Aim for consistent, short study sessions rather than infrequent, long ones for better retention. Chemistry isn't just theory, it's also about practical application. Practice solving a variety of problems, especially those involving calculations like moles, masses, and volumes. Pay close attention to the practical aspects of the syllabus, understanding experimental setups and expected observations. This will prepare you for both written questions and practical assessments. As you approach your exams, consolidate your learning by reviewing all topics. Create a revision timetable to ensure comprehensive coverage. Work through past papers under timed conditions to simulate the exam environment and refine your answering technique. Focus on understanding examiner reports to see common mistakes and improve your responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.